Now, if you're thinking about adding shelves to your space, shelf pilasters and shelf clips make it easy to create adjustable, custom shelving that will fit your needs. With pilasters and shelf clips, you can create the perfect adjustable shelving setup in minutes. Stick around and I'll show you how. Now, pilasters are the vertical strips that have slots, allowing for adjustable shelving to use shelf clips. Now, this setup is ideal for kitchen, bath, and closet cabinets, bookcases, and many other storage solutions. Here is a pilaster, and here is a clip. The pilaster is the part that is mounted to the wall, and the shelf clip is the part that is inserted into the pilaster at the desired height to hold your shelf. Simple as that. These come in a wide variety of lengths and finishes, and most of the pilasters on our website are universal and designed to be either surface mounted or flush recess mounted. Now, generally, if you will be flush mounting these, which means you'll be having a little channel where they'll be sitting in, you will need to do this during the cabinet or furniture construction because you'll be using special tooling in order to get that rabbit fit. But for surface mounting, the sky is the limit, and you can pretty much install these wherever you would like. Inside of a cabinet, outside of a cabinet, directly onto drywall, or even in the garage. You name it, you can install it. Don't worry, I'll explain a little more detail to walk you through it. First, let's say that you have a cabinet that was originally intended as a broom closet and you're looking to spice up your shelving game like a kid-free Friday night. Well, thanks to our pilasters and clips, turning up the heat on your storage solutions is very easy to accomplish. All that you would need to do is measure the height of the area that you want to install the adjustable shelving. Then find the pilaster that is the closest to this measurement and install it. If you stay a little under the length that you need, there will be no cutting needed. However, if you can only find pilasters that are a little too long for your space, not to worry, these pilasters are made of thin metal that is very easy to cut and fit into your location. So installing could not be easier. You simply take the 4 pilasters that you ordered and line them up on the inside of the cabinet or on the wall. I personally would set them back about 1.5 inches from the front and the same 1.5 inches from the back side. This allows plenty enough room for you to either screw or nail these into place. Now, we do sell nails for these pilasters that match color-wise. This is the brass, it matches the brass. All the different colors if you want to use the nails, or you can just use screws, especially if you're going into the drywall. Now, let's say you don't have a cabinet to install these into, but you do have a drywalled closet or an alcove area that is screaming for shelving. Not to worry, you can install these there the same way you would in a cabinet. You would just need longer screws and, of course, drywall anchors to attach the pilasters to the wall. Now, after you're done installing the pilasters in your desired location, all that is left is just measuring for a shelf. Just measure from the left to the right pilaster for the shelf length, and then measure the front to the back of the space for the shelf depth. Next, either have someone cut down a few shelves for you, or with those dimensions, head on to the local hardware store and purchase some cut to size shelving. Put the shelf clips in the location that fits your needs, place down the shelf, and load it up. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, just let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be more than happy to help. We'll see you next time.